Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Bedroom Beauties. Alright, so we just ordered, or we had just gotten our 200 Dubia Roaches from DubiaRoaches.com. Doesn't look like it now because they're all spread out. Right here we got our carrots, mangoes, and water crystals. But yeah, we had gotten 200 smalls. That's not even all of them. We got way more than 200. As you can see, there's more. They're all lined up under here. You see, they're all up under there. So I mean, they definitely loaded me up, and that's cool. Also, we didn't find one dead roach. That's a plus. So yeah, this video is just simple and quick. There's only just 200 smalls. We had gotten them because we wanted to see if Nipsey would eat them. This is going to be his first time trying Dubia roaches. You know, we had bought our bearded dragon from the pet store, and all they had fed him was crickets and mealworms. So, you know, we're going to try to give him a more healthy diet. So, but yeah, there's our roaches. Absolutely satisfied with our first order from DubiaRoaches.com. We'll definitely be ordering from them again. Next time will be a bigger order, plus I'll, you know, depending on whether Nipsey likes them, which I'm almost certain she will, I'm gonna start breeding them. So, you know, look for a video following up. So I want to thank you, and see you next time.